Full Yogic Breath, Part 1. General Information. After you regained belly breathing, it is time to get more serious and to become more aware of what you're actually doing with your breath and with your body while breathing. Full Yogic Breath is to expand the lungs and your torso to a maximum, filling up completely with air. By now, you know that there are 3 different types of breathing. Full Yogic Breath combines all 3 of them. You remember? Abdominal, intercostal, and clavicular breathing. As everything, it requires practice. First of all, when you take a deep breath, you will see that you intend to lift your chest and to take your belly and diaphragm inward. Oops! There goes your belly breathing out of the window already. Wrong. Stop. Alrighty. When you fill up a bottle with water, the water rises from the bottom of your bottle, right? So try to fill up with air also from the bottom, meaning fill your belly first, then release your diaphragm. Allow your ribs to expand. You're still not full. Allow your chest to come up and expand until you're full of air. That's just the inhalation. Now release your chest, your diaphragm. Pull your belly slowly. Bring your navel closer towards your spine. Yes, squeeze your belly until you're completely empty. That was your exhalation. The next exercise helps you to achieve step by step this powerful controlled breathing process. You'll find Full Yogic Breath in almost all the pranayama exercises presented by Yoga Know-How. Pranayama pushes you and your body to the limit when you're ready for it. Please always start from the beginning of a new practice or sequence. I really ask you to be patient and nice with yourself. You cannot go to the market and get a new pair of lungs or some other body parts because of overacting or excessive practicing. If you do well, you gain. If you don't understand, you will be in pain. Learn to see the beauty of breathing, and of course, it always leads to something or somewhere. What about chanting Om or even singing a mantra?